Two men accused of posing as DTE workers and killing a homeowner in Rochester Hills appeared in front of a judge today. Carlos Jose Hernandez and Joshua Zuazo, both of Dearborn, are heading to trial. Today's preliminary hearing included several witnesses and evidence against the suspects. CBS News Detroit's Gino Vici joins us from outside 52nd District Court with more on the gut-wrenching testimony. Gino, what can you tell us?
Well, Lauren, the medical examiner, sheriff's deputies, and the wife of Hussein Murray took the stand today. Linda Murray testified. She went into detail about how Hernandez and Zuazo rang her Ring doorbell, posed as DTE workers, and then she testified they came back the next day, again posing as DTE workers, saying that they needed to check for a gas leak. That's when she says her husband Hussein let the men inside their Rochester Hills home after letting the men downstairs and coming back upstairs. Murray says Zuazo and Henderson asked her where the safe was and where the money was at. At that time, she says she noticed blood on Hernandez's vest. She says she started screaming. That's when she says Hernandez struck her in the face, tied her up by her wrists and ankles. Investigators believe Murray was targeted because he owned a jewelry store in Hamtramck. After hearing all the evidence, Judge Laura Polizzi made a quick decision to bound them both over for trial.
We have substantial evidence that has been admitted today, pictures, video, etc. And based upon all of the testimony of these witnesses, based upon all of the exhibits that have been entered, this prosecution has met their burden by probable cause standard, and this court finds probable cause that the defendants committed the crime. This court will bind over to the circuit court. Thank you.
No court date has been set yet, Lauren, but again, both men will head to trial for murder and 2 counts of unlawful imprisonment. If convicted, they'll spend the rest of their life behind bars. Back to you.
Senseless act of violence. Thank you, Gino, for that live report.